So first we will talk about anonymous browser. So if you don't know about anonymous browser, it is a browser where you can watch or see what you want to see, but nobody is watching you from the back end of the browser, like Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, the employees of Google are watching you from the back end of the browser, and they are seeing each and everything you are doing on your browser, and they are keeping your data and storing it in their data source, and they are storing all of your data. If somebody hacks your data, then they can see what you have seeing on browser, or what you are seeing on the browser. So on and on, what I am saying is Google Chrome is not safe than what you should do. So there is an app on the Play Store called Tor browser. So it is fully safe. They won't keep any of your data. So after you use or browse anything, you can also watch their history. There will be no data or anything like that in their history. So you can go and watch their history. There will be nothing. So yeah, but the main part is that the important part, they won't have any ads in their browser. They won't disturb while you are browsing. Yeah.
It also gives you VPN for free whenever you launch the app and press the connect option. The VPN automatically starts, and it's a good sign because you need VPN so nobody can track you. So they are giving this feature. Year ago this app was in beta version, but now from few months its full version is out. Link will be in the description, so you need to check it out. And I am using this app for a year now, and I gotta say it is worth downloading, and it's connected to a deep web. Nobody can hack and see what you are browsing on your phone, and it's totally safe. It won't give you cookies and all that stuff that will track you. So you can also see the history for it. After browsing, you can see the history. Nothing will be in the history because they are not tracking you. So yeah, it's a good sign. You must try this app, you will like it. Link will be in the description. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you're not a part of the Hightech, you know what to do. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so every time I post a video you will be notified each single time. And yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, thanks. It's been Pranav and I'm signing out.